Hi everyone, Rebecca at the Flower Room here making some bows today, and I thought you might want to learn how to do that. So let's get started. I have this pretty ribbon that has a pattern on one side and on the other side is kind of blank. It is wired, which gives me a little bit more forgiveness in the shaping so that if everything doesn't look exactly the way that I want it to, I can fix it at the end. I'm going to start by making a loop around my thumb. So my left thumb is going to go in the center and my pointer finger will hold it underneath. I am right-handed, so I will make the actual loops with my right hand. I'm just turning that ribbon over to make my loop, pinching it in the back, and then twisting it again so that that good face is showing at the front. I'm going to start by making a couple of smaller loops, and then as we go out, the loops will get bigger and bigger. Now, if you do not want to place all of your loops while you're making the bow, you can always do that afterward. You can stack them kind of one on top of each other and then pull them apart and make it look pretty at the end. I just happen to like to place mine while I'm making it. You'll need more ribbon than you think you will. Usually I budget about 3 yards of ribbon per bow. If you're making a larger bow, you may need more. But this one's going to have 5 loops on either side. All right. So we've got the base of that bow. Now, in order to make those 3 tails that were on that, I'm going to make one really long loop. And then I'm going to cut the loop. There. So I've got one big, long, floofy loop and one tail. We'll cut that and make it into 3. I'm going to take that piece of wire that I have. It's a piece of florist wire. It's 20 gauge and it is painted. You can use whatever wire you have. But if you don't have painted wire, it may rust in your wreath. But if it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. All right, so I'm going to do that. I'm just threading that piece of wire right under my thumb that's inside there so it comes out the other side. I'm going to bring both sides of that wire down. And then I am using my knuckle to twist that really, really tight so that those loops don't go anywhere. Last thing I'll do is cut that one long loop, and there you have it. I'll move those around just a little bit, but for the most part, there's your bow. So enjoy. Let me know if you have questions or if there's anything I can help you with. Have a great day.